Welcome to Pixellab Management. So, this video I'll be teaching you how to make a birthday flyer, simple birthday flyer. Just watch the screen, keep to the numbers, just see the colors, see everything, and it will be so. That's a text tool. You put your text. Next thing is to go and select your fonts. There are different fonts here. So, later on I'll make videos on how to download fonts because under this my font, these are the fonts that I downloaded, but they are natural fonts that came with the app. So select the font and increase the size. Yeah. So that's a shape, circle shape. Select the color. When you are done, to back or you do to front for the image, then like that. Keep going. You adjust your size. +1 just to add beauty to the design, nothing really special. So that the design will not be looking empty. So select your color, make sure it is black, reduce the size, put it somewhere around that side. Don't worry, we are creating magic here, you will love it. Okay, so that's a birthday, the dates, select the fonts, put it black, reduce the size. Okay, now I want to blur the image to match with the background. So you have to use a gradient. You put one to be your color, the other one you reduce it to be 0, and come and place on top of it. You see how the thing has blended now. So that's how to do that. You can adjust until you are very sure that the picture is good, everything is good, and then you keep on going. So the next thing, we add the name of the celebrant, very important. So just add the name. Once you're done, just make sure everything is good. Then next, exactly, select your fonts. I use Pongram, that's the font I use, Pongram Black, and there's Pongram Regular. So go and select your font, make sure it is black. You adjust size, just do everything you need to do. You can slow down this video if the video is too fast. So I have to duplicate that because I want to make sure that the boot is rhyming. So the other one was Pongram Black. Now I'm using the Pongram Medium, the normal one then. But it might be too light, so just go and give it from your style. Make sure it is both, do all of that. I selected the two together and I moved it. So now I need to get a coat for birthday coats. So give it black, you adjust it until it's good. You might decide to even rotate it if that's okay. Or better still, just okay, let me lock everything so not going to be moving. See, I've locked all of those ones so it won't be affecting my work again. So that's the font. I have to repeat the same font I use. Make the font bold. Just adjust from size. Then everything is good. Yeah, so adjust your birthday. Give it white stroke. Make it bold. Make your padding so that each side of the font is showing. Now I'm creating this so I can put the dates inside. So gradient red, the other side black, adjust it until it is good. Okay, maybe the black is too much, so let me use like a brown color or something. So adjust the size, place it there, select that, do to front. After doing to front, make your color white. You guys so that it will show on the red. Don't forget the rule of contrast. Exactly. So I had to just duplicate it and put 6 there. Make it, bring it here on top, increase the size. Then you go to later increase the 25, put me 25, then reduce the size so that it will be the same thing with the 6th as in length. Then you place it there. So like this, the work is almost done. It's already making sense. Just remaining some finishing touches, and then you have a very good design. So let's select background. You see the background now. Then go to opacity, reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity, reduce, just expand your logo, just as in the background rather. And set your background. Be sure it's good. Reduce the opacity. And just remaining one more thing, and then we are done. Just to create a light flare background, yeah, just for fun, and so that your work looks popped up. Yeah, so basically we are done. You save PNG Ultra or PNG height and go to Snapseed so you can improve on the do your after design, after effects, increase your structure, come here, increase everything, and just look at the number on the screen so it will guide you. Then we are done. Let's see the final work. That's it. Thank you so much.